Hey there, YouTubers. Alright, unboxing video time. So, it took forever, but I finally got an i5 10600K. So, let's go ahead and unbox this. And there it is in the box. Not a whole lot of bubble wrap in there. So, whoops, it was an i5 10600KF. So, these have dropped down quite a bit in price. And let's go ahead and check out the box. So, you can see that LGA 1200. These are, you know, pretty much a beast, right? It's probably around the same capability as the i7 9700K was, or KF for that matter, and made in Vietnam. So this guy is up to 4.8 gigahertz unlocked, 125 watts TDP on this. Okay, let's go ahead and get it out of the box. Alright, so cut the tape, see if we can get this out of here. Now, I do have a lot of processors, right? This is probably the 10th or 11th 10th gen that I've gotten. Soon we'll be switching over to 11th gen and getting some Z590s. We'll get B560s, things like that. So, they still have not made these stickers very nice. This is not the best looking 10th gen sticker in the world. What else do we have here, folks? Not a whole lot in the box, right? Now here is the CPU, you can see, and there's no fan with this one in case you cared. But yeah, that's going to do it for this. There you can see nothing in there. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you.